So we also have the recursive formulas. When I think of recursive, I think of rewinding back. And so recursive formulas are using the one before to find the next one. If we're doing an arithmetic sequence, we're going to use the one before plus the new common number that we're adding to each one, which we represent as d, or the difference. So the way we would write the arithmetic recursive formula is the number we want, a to the n, is the one before it, n minus 1 means the number before the one we are using, plus the common difference. So let's say I have a pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Our common difference here is to add 2. So to find my first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term, so this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. To find the seventh term, a to the 7, we do a to the 7 minus 1, or the one before it, which is 6, plus 2. So a to the 7 will be 11 plus 2, which, right, is a lot of common sense. The next one, you just add 2, because that's the common number we keep adding. I think the only tricky part is just getting used to this. This means the previous one. So geometric is very much the same, only instead of adding or subtracting, we're multiplying. The geometric recursive formula is going to look like this. And so what this means is we take whatever one we want to find, we'll use the one before, again, that's the previous one, times whatever we keep multiplying it by. So let's say I have a pattern, 2, 4, 8, 16. And I want to find the fifth term, a to the 1, a to the 2, a to the 3, a to the 4. I want to find a to the 5, or the fifth term. Right? Well, I keep multiplying by 2. My common ratio is times 2. So doesn't it make sense that to get to the next one, we use the one before it times 2? And that's all this means. Use the one before it times whatever the ratio we keep multiplying. So g to the 5 means we take the one before it, 16, times 2, or 32. This one here is the one before it, or a to the 5 minus 1, which is a to the 4th, or the fourth term. So for the recursive, we take the one before and add what we keep adding to each one for arithmetic. But for geometric, we take the one before and we multiply it by what we have been multiplying in the pattern.